I'm going to do, today I'm going to do mail time, and yeah, just open a bunch of gifts. BT Dub, shout out to her because she's giving me thousands and thousands and thousands of gifts. She's done a lot. And then that was her backup gift, and I do anymore. And then same person, shout out. Trying to. Okay, let's just start opening the gifts. Yeah. Let's see. Then okay, thanks. Thanks again. Okay, thanks for all the gifts because I'm not gonna keep saying thanks. Nice. Yeah. Oh, that's cute, actually. Man, she gave me lots of gifts. Oh, I knew she had a gift for me something. I already know what she got me. She got me the bottoms too. Thanks so much. No, I actually wanted one of those. Sorry if you hear like a chewing all the time. Eating some gum. These are very cute. I feel like this is. Oh, that's what's the green hair. I think she gave that away already though. Ooh, thanks. Pretty. Whoa, this is confusing. Oh, I still have more gifts. Whoa, okay, that is weird. I've never got one of those before. Okay, that was good. Casual geek. I have one of those, but they're like not in that color though. Girl, I already have this. I don't need it. Sorry. Dang. Whoa, that's weird. That's weird. And these are my last gifts. Ah, that's pretty. And then black, which is the color I wear mostly. Okay. So yeah, those are all my gifts. Also, you can buy my wish list. That would be nice. And yeah. Friend. Let me show you. Baby I spelled that wrong. Dang it, I can't even spell it no more. I already forgot it. Oh yeah. This is it. Friend her, which is her backup account, and then friend. This is Baby Crumpy, and then Pink Bubblegum Pop 308, and the boy account that I have And also my backup right down under. It's my backup. I'll show you the board. Oops, wrong thing. And yeah, this is him. Bye guys, make sure you like and subscribe. And I guess you can leave a comment. Might do one. So bye.